In this video, we'll be making a staple in Chinese cuisine, Jiaozi. These are Chinese dumplings, typically made with a flour-based skin with a meat and vegetable filling. First, we'll start off by making the skin.
Oh, what am I supposed to do? Now you need stop sticking.
After kneading, it's time to set the dough aside. Now for the filling, we'll prep the meat. Using minced meat is fine. Some people chop up their own. It's all a matter of preference. Now we'll add the vegetables and condiments. Give it all a thorough mix. We'll bring back the dough and begin the process of folding the dumplings. This is the fun part, but it can be challenging if you've never folded dumplings before. Practice at it though, I can promise you it can be worth the effort. But at the end of the day, we're just trying to make bite-sized food parcels. You don't have to overthink it. Usually I make these in batches, I make a lot of them. I'd cook them all and eat them throughout the week. Or better yet, you can also place them on a tray and freeze them for later. Here's how I fold them. Place it flat on your hand after you've loaded it with filling. Fold one end to its direct opposite end, so it looks a bit like an Italian cannoli. You then want to push the bottom of one of the openings and pinch it to one side so it forms a crease. Continue doing so until it's closed up with no more openings. I always see it as trying to shut someone's mouth closed, and every subsequent opening is another mouth you have to close. It's a very silly image, but I've always found it helped me visualize it. Moving on, there are a number of ways to cook dumplings. Today, we'll be pan frying them. Once the pan's heated up, and you can start to hear sizzling, we're going to add water. This is to create some steam inside, so it cooks the dumplings all around. Once you see that nice golden brown colour, the dumplings are pretty much ready. You can have them as they are, as a snack, a side, even as a main. I like to make a dipping sauce. 2 parts soy sauce, 1 part vinegar, and some chili oil. Crispy skin and juicy filling. Jiaozi, the Chinese dumpling.